Whether you're looking for a changing career or a lucrative side hustle, starting a search engine optimization agency is without a doubt the best agency to start in 2024 as a beginner. Now, coming from someone who has tried literally everything in the past, from trying to start an email marketing agency, Facebook ads agency, and web design agency, I can tell you none of these are as beginner friendly and can bring as much value to your clients as an SEO agency. Now, just to be clear, I'm not one of these gurus that makes his money from communities and doesn't run a real business at all. There's a lot of these guys out there. I would know because I've done a lot of their courses. I spend all of my time running my business, which is how I took it from 0 to near 12K reoccurring in just a matter of 5 months. I had spent well over 25K in education platforms and joined over 8 courses within the past 2 years just so I can give you all this information for absolutely free. In this video, we will cover why this SEO is the best agency model to start as a beginner, how I would get my first client in 30 days with $0, and last but not least, how I would grow the company to 10K per month in just a matter of 3 months. Now, to give you an example of where I am at right now, here's a list of all of our clients here, and you can see all the active ones. In my Stripe account, we have over 30, I believe it's around 34 clients total, and we have around 10 about to start their subscription in just a matter of a week or so. So to get right into it, why this is the best agency model to start. Nowadays, most business owners are just not in a position to be spending the money they need to get results with paid ads. It's just a fact. I've talked to literally around 1,000 business owners now, and they all say the exact same thing, right? We are not in the best economy right now. And also, there's a lot of business owners that just don't have like the business in place to be putting thousands and thousands of dollars into an agency right now, currently. So SEO is the only agency model where, if done right, will require the least amount of cost on the agency and client side, and will provide clients with unlimited leads for free for as long as they keep paying you. This makes it easier to get clients and easier to keep them happy month by month, ensuring that they never want to leave you. And for an example, I always pull this sheet up. This is how we organize our current clients. Here's a list of all of our clients right now. We're at 38. I said 34 before. You can see out of all these people, only 3 total have, left me from the start. And 2 of those were within just the first month and pretty much just ghosted me for no reason, And you're going to see that is something that's going to happen to you. That's just part of business, Sometimes people pay you a big upfront amount of money for some unknown reason. For these couple clients, it was $2,500 and $1,500. And then after a couple weeks, they just stopped talking to you. And, I try to call them back. I try to give them at least a partial refund, but, they just completely ghost me for whatever reason that is, So that's just business. That's just how it goes down. Number 2, I would get my first client in 30 days with $0. So this is the exact strategy that I used. Right? So the best place if you have $0 to get clients is through Facebook groups and local business meetups. Through Facebook groups is where I initially got my first 5 clients and was able to scale up from there. I was also attending BNI events where if you go to their first 2 events, a lot of people don't know this, but you can go to the first 2 events as a guest and you don't have to spend a dime. Only after your first 2 sessions do you have to start paying a yearly subscription. So here's an example of what I post in Facebook groups, right? This gets a ton of traction, and I'll just click on, a random post just to give you an example of what people say, right? So a lot of people here are interested in the comments, and what you want to do is just DM these people back right away. And again, I just wrote something like, I just built a software that sends personalized text and emails on autopilot to prospects. Get more business without expensive paid ads. perfect for local biz and home improvement businesses, which are the companies that I work with, looking for people to try it for free and give honest feedback. So you have to say free in this, and the way you kind of structure it is, it's free for the first 30 days, and then if they like it, then they can start paying after that, right? And that is still to this day how I get clients. I do free work for them. I show them I'm competent. So, it starts off on a good note, and they're more likely to stick with you for the long run, right? And then next is the BNI events. So if you don't have any clients or you just have a couple, I would definitely recommend to going to some BNI events. So you just type in BNI in Google, you click on that first link to their website, and once it loads, we'll go to that. But these events are great because, you can talk to people in person and gain trust immediately. So you just hit find chapter, and then you put in your information to find a local meetup that's right by your place. And again, you can go to the first two or three meetups completely for free as a guest and just talk to as many people as possible and see if these people are interested. I can tell you everybody needs leads and everybody needs a CRM for the most part, right? And so what you would be helping them out with is both of those. So they would absolutely love you if, in fact, you do know what you're talking about, right? Number 3, how I would grow my SEO business to 10K per month in 3 months. So after I got my first 5 clients organically, I would decide what niche I would like working with out of the ones that I have. From there, I would scrape the leads list of Google business pages from the niche that I like. For example, roofers, and I would use, either D7 Lead Finder or Outscraper. Then I would create 30 to 60 email accounts, and then I would input that leads list into Million Verifier to clean the emails, input them into Smart Lead right after, and finally start sending around 1,000 to 2,000 emails to that target audience daily. These are, local service-based businesses. They're home improvement businesses. They're people like window installers and stuff like that. You're going to need to send a lot of emails for you to get any traction because a lot of these people simply don't open their emails, right? And so the way we do this is after we scrape that leads list from D7 Lead Finder or Outscraper, you want to scrape a big leads list of around, at least 8,000. I always try to get around 15 to 20,000. You want to clean the emails, right? Put in Million Verifier. And then right after that, once they're clean, you want to input all the leads list into Smart Lead. And you can say, see all the emails that we've sent, 31,000. And this one we just started. It's only been a day, but it's at 700. And it already has 8 positive replies because, we know what we're doing now and we know how to get clients. So a lot of that comes with the wording and the personalization of every single email. And then, last but not least, you want to cold call the positive replies, get them on a Google Meet call, and then close them on a 45-minute to an hour-long Google Meet call and sell them, right? Now, from there, as long as you are closing one business owner, this is all you have to do, close one business owner every other week at $497 per month, you will reach that 10K per month in just a matter of 3 short months. And that's exactly how I would do it again if starting from $0 in my bank account. Now, if you want a free 30-day trial to go high level and free personal mentoring by me, where I'll help you land one client paying $497 per month within that time, please go to laptop-freedom.com in the description below and go ahead and sign up for the free 30 days and then schedule a call with me. And I'll be more than happy to add you on WhatsApp or add your phone number, your personal phone number, and mentor you to get you to the position to get that $497 a month client within the first 30 days and get you to start, making bank, right? So if you found this helpful, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.